Article 1 of a 41-part series called From Prompt to Production. Let's dive in. 88% of AI agent projects never reach production. 88%! And it's not because the models aren't smart enough. GPT-4o, Cloud, Gemini, they're incredible. The problem isn't the brain, the problem is everything around the brain. Let me tell you a story. A financial services team deployed a customer service agent on a Friday afternoon. By 3 a.m. Saturday, nobody watching. The agent had issued $47,000 in unauthorized refunds. The model worked perfectly. It did exactly what it was asked. But there were no permission boundaries, no audit trail, no guardrails, no circuit breakers, nothing to stop it. I'm Luis Valencia, Microsoft MVP, and this is Article 1 of 41. Over the next few months, we're going to build every single layer a production AI agent needs. No hand waving. Working code, let's go. Every AI agent tutorial follows the same script: import a framework, connect to an LLM, define some tools, call agent.run, marvel at the output, and it worked. It's impressive. It's also about 20% of what you actually need to ship. The other 80%, the part that determines whether your agent survives its first week in production, is invisible in demos. Permission boundaries, audit trials, circuit breakers, rate limiters, encrypted memory, cost caps, graceful degradation, path traversal prevention, the boring stuff, the stuff that keeps systems alive at 3 a.m. when nobody's watching. Klarna learned this the hard way. They deployed AI agents to replace 700 customer service workers, then quietly started rehiring humans when edge cases overwhelmed the system. The model was fine, the infrastructure wasn't there. After studying production deployments from Anthropic, Microsoft, OpenAI, and dozens of startups, a clear pattern emerges. Every successful production agent has 6 layers. Layer 1, model and reasoning. This is the LLM itself. But here's the thing, it needs to be swappable. If your business logic is entangled with one vendor, you're locked in. We solve this with a protocol, a Python interface that any model adapter must satisfy. Vendor neutral from day one. Layer 2, orchestration. This is the reasoning loop, the thing that makes an agent agentic. The pattern that dominates production is called react, reason plus act. Critically, you need iteration caps and circuit breakers here. Without them, your agent can loop forever and burn your entire API budget overnight. Layer 3, tools. This gives the agent hands, but tools without guardrails are exactly how you get the 3 AM refund instant. Every tool call needs permission gating. You need input validation, real timeout enforcement, not a try except, actual ICO.wait for, and structured audit logging. Layer 4, memory. Without memory, every conversation starts from zero. But production memory isn't just stuffing everything into the prompt. You need per conversation encryption with PBKDF cookie derivation, PI detection, and context compression to manage your token budget. Layer 5, guardrails. This is the security layer and it's the one most courses skip. Permission checks, distributed rate limiters with Redis sliding windows, path validation, cost caps, the 3 AM refund. A single guardrail would have stopped it. Layer 6, observability. Structured logging, audit trails. Correlation IDs that link every action in a single request together. When something goes wrong, and it will, this is how you figure it out. This is how you figure out what happened, why, and how to prevent it. Without it, you're debugging in the dark. Now all of this code is vendor neutral. But throughout this series, I use Azure AI Foundry as the concrete deployment example. Why? Because it gives you hosted agents with built-in observability. Your model layer maps to Foundry's model endpoints. Your orchestration layer maps to Microsoft Agent Framework. Your tools map to the tool catalog and MCP protocol. Your memory maps to context providers. Guardrails map to agent safety, and observability is built into the pipeline. But the key insight is Foundry provides the hosting. Your code, the protocols, the React loop, the security checks, that's yours. Change cloud tomorrow, the agent doesn't change. Here's what's coming. Articles 1 through 5, the foundation. Articles 6 through 12, production hardening, security, testing, guardrails, and observability. Articles 13 through 20, advanced patterns. Articles 21 through 30, frameworks like AutoGen and LangGraph. And 31 through 41, deployment and operations. CI/CD with eval gates. Every single article has working code you can clone and run. No API keys needed, mock LLM for testing. I'm writing this right before my summer holiday, so consider this the opening shot. Article 1 is live on Medium right now, link in the description. The complete repo with 78 passing tests is on GitHub, also linked below. Clone it, run it, break it, learn from it. When I'm back in mid-August, Article 2 drops immediately. Follow me here and on LinkedIn so you don't miss it. This is going to be a wild ride. See you after the holiday. Production AI agents. See you soon.